Guys, it's me again. Um, as you might notice, I don't have my long hair any longer, and it still feels kind of weird. It's now Thursday evening, and my sister cut it off on Saturday. But it's been growing quite a bit actually already, or well, not really, but like really noticeable already. When it was like almost bald at first. But yeah, what else? I should really like think what I'm gonna say instead of just grabbing my camera and starting to randomly ramble to it with one subject. Um, my cat's wed is tomorrow, and he's actually just staring at me right now. So, come, come here. Yes. Yeah. Are you gonna jump up? Jump up. Oh. Yes. Hello, Mr. Cat. Going to a vet tomorrow, are we? Silly cat. He's not allowed to eat for like 12 hours, and he's annoyed by that. Yes. Okay. Is that enough of the cat? It's never enough of the cat, is it? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Anyway, are you still gonna get to the shot? Yeah, my couch is full of stuff. Yeah. Engel's been told. Oh, did it just fell off the couch. I suppose bad balance for some reason. Oh, poor kitty. Yeah, Engel's been touring for I think 3 weeks now, maybe two. And it's been quite cool to see their stuff. I wish I could be there with them, but maybe one day. And hope to see them in Finland soon. As if it's never gonna happen, probably, with knowing my luck. Yes. Hello, cat. God, I'm horrible at this. I really need to like get editing software and start cutting this shit up. There was something else that I wanted to say. Pop mode, nah. Yeah, oh yeah, I was supposed to go out tomorrow to see this show, but then I remembered my cat has the vet, and depending on how he feels at the evening, I'm not sure if I can go. So that's kind of shame. I could really use a nice metal gig, even though I don't have hair to headbang with it anymore. But, what can you do? Anyway, I suppose I'm gonna jump back online and talk to you, or you at least. Yeah. Okay, enough rambling. I'll see you guys soon, hopefully. Bye bye.